Welcome to the Enabling Festival 2021. My name is Daniel and I'm the co-founder of Enable Asia. Due to the current pandemic situation, this festival will continue to remain an online festival for 2021. The festival really aims to challenge, to explore, to shape perceptions and the understanding of dementia as well as caregiving, but through technology and the arts. Well, this year's focus is on taste, and we have curated many different programs surrounding taste for you. So please visit us at enableasia.org to see what we have to offer. Please enjoy the upcoming programs.
Hi, welcome to the Enabling Festival 2021. My name is Danny Raven Tan. I'm a full-time caregiver for my 88-year-old mother who is living with dementia, and I'm a full-time painter. And I co-founded this home-based gallery in Ang Mo Kio. And this is the Tiffin Gallery, which I'm going to share with you my favorite food memory later on. Food memories are actually very powerful time machine. It can teleport us to a different place and different time, and they can bring us to the one that we love and treasure. And food memories can unearth deep-rooted memories within us. Imagine when your mom is cooking in the kitchen, you can smell the aroma of the belacan, and you can look at the colorful ingredients that she's preparing, and with all this combined with all the senses that you have, it can create a more vivid memory for you. Welcome to my kitchen. So I'm going to share with you my favorite food memories. It's actually a very simple dish. It's called Pandan flavoured cake, cooked in a rice cooker. So, because personally I can't bake. So during the circuit breaker period, we are all stuck at home. So I believe during that time, there's a lot of self-made chef and cook. So I'm actually one of them. So today, I'm going to share with you how this pandan flavored cake baked with rice cooker is being done. So what we have here, very simple ingredients. We have flour, sugar, eggs, pandan flavored essence, vanilla essence, and oh my god. Okay, this is actually this is a vintage egg beater from a friend, and we need some oil, baking soda. So what we need to do now is to crack two eggs, put it in this container here. There you go. And we need sugar. How much sugar? It will be half a cup using this. So it's half a cup. A little bit more to add that flavor. There you go. And some vanilla essence. You can get these kind of vanilla essence very easily at Phoon Huat. So a drizzle, very easy. And the pandan flavor essence. This one I give a little bit of color, but you can only drip like 1 or 2 drops, so it don't appear too green. Okay, now we need to beat the egg. There you go. We need to okay, let me stop this. We need to do this until it appears foamy. So this will take a while. Maybe we can stop this. Okay, once you're done, it has to be this kind of texture, then you're quite there. And after that, we need to add 1 scoop of oil, any kind of oil, corn oil, tao piao you, whatever, and then you beat a little while. And I need to put a teaspoon of milk from the fridge. I'm going to get milk. Teaspoon of milk. Pour it in. And now I will prepare the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients. I'll take half cup. You can see this, right? Okay, this is half cup of flour, any kind of flour, cell raisin flour, whatever. There you go. And a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of, okay, just put it inside here. And we just mix it a little bit. Okay, and we put this dry mixture into the wet ingredients. Okay, and we fold the flour together with the wet ingredients. Time, and we put the rest of the mixture in, and we are actually almost there. There you go. Okay, make sure all the flour are kind of mixed together with your egg, your sugar. Okay. What you need, okay, every house would have a rice cooker like this. Open it up. We need to oil. Okay, let me just pour out the water. We need to oil the rice cooker so that when your pandan cake is baked, it doesn't stick to your rice cooker. Yeah, so you just need to oil it properly. Be generous, don't be stingy. Okay, so oil up, put it back in the rice cooker, and this is the final countdown. Okay, what you need to do, you need to pour your mixture into the rice cooker. Very simple. You can do this anywhere, provided you have a rice cooker. I'm sure every household have a rice cooker, right? So there you go. It's all inside, nice and ready. Turn on your rice cooker, close it, turn it on, and we wait. Okay, this is after the first bake. So now let's take a look what's inside the rice cooker. Okay, it's still a little bit wet, so we need to use like a satay stick. Okay, so this does not work. So we need to have a second bake and we press. Yeah, but because it's still hot, so it won't, but we'll do it later. You just need to do a second bake. After 15 minutes, probably I think it's 2-3 bake, I think our pandan flavored cake is ready. Come, let's check it out. There you go. Testing with our satay stick. As long as it doesn't stick to the stick, means it's ready to be eaten. Alright. So we move this out. Wow, it's hot, man. There you go. What we need to do this, and we flip the cake over. Okay, if it doesn't fall off easily, we need to do this. Okay, we need to use I think like a spatula to scrape the side of the cake like this. Yeah. It's almost ready. You can have your pandan cake in no time. And this is actually a best activity with your loved ones. Ah, yes, it's out. You just need to remove this. Well done. And we use another plate and we flip it over. The big reveal. Ta-da! So there you go. So perhaps Glenn, you would like to have a first taste of this pandan flavored cake baked in rice cooker. How about it? Let's try. Come on. Okay, I think it's a little bit hot. Tell me what you think. Boleh tak?
Oishi.
Oishi!
Oh, and it's very nice the skin.
Honestly, or just
Very, very nice.
okay, you're gonna bring this home, yeah? Okay, cool. So, what I want to tell you guys is create new memories with your loved ones with simple activity like this, especially during this COVID period where we cannot travel out. Cooking or baking a delicious cake or food will definitely brings joy to the family with your loved ones. Start conversation, and this is how we engage with especially people with dementia. So try it. I believe you will enjoy it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our program. We hope you have found this useful, and please help us to complete a simple survey by using the QR code provided below. This will help us to improve and fulfill our requirements for the various sponsors. If you want to find out more about the Enabling Festival 2021, please visit our Facebook page, our Instagram, our TikTok, and website to see more what we have more lined up for you. The Enabling Festival is in its 4th year now, and it certainly has been a very rewarding journey. We hope we can pledge $1 or more to this cause, because this will further help our cause for dementia community. Thank you, take care, and stay safe.